Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Canopy Rent Tracking Review My Usage Experience. Canopy Rent Tracking Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined system for landlords and property managers to track rental income and expenses. It aims to simplify accounting and tax preparation, targeting those who manage multiple rental properties or find traditional accounting methods cumbersome. Key features likely include income and expense tracking, reporting generation, and potentially integration with other financial tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Canopy's positioning seems to be one of ease of use and efficiency. Their website highlights a user-friendly interface and promises to save time on administrative tasks. They emphasize transparency with their pricing, and although specific details weren't explicitly listed, it gives the impression of avoiding hidden fees or long-term contracts. The technology appears to be cloud-based, allowing for access from any device with an internet connection. Availability is likely widespread, but it's best to check their website for details on specific region support. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Canopy Rent Tracking Review My Usage Experience. Setting up my account was a breeze. The onboarding process was intuitive and clearly guided me through each step. The interface is remarkably clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the way they categorize income and expenses, making it simple to track everything from rent payments to maintenance costs. I found generating reports incredibly straightforward, just a few clicks, and I had a detailed summary of my rental income and expenses for the month. The system speed and reliability were excellent. I never experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about integrating with my bank account, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to rely on my laptop for access. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Canopy. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of report generation, saving me considerable time compared to my old spreadsheet method. It's a huge time saver and eliminates a lot of the stress of managing my rental properties. That's my overview of Canopy Rent Tracking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.